ini kuai Tokoriki Island, Sheraton Resort. Kukuat search kuna tangi. Isa lepas serta kan pemalu na saat itu kan nama. Nambung kukuat search kuna tangi. Rong search kuna pina tangi nambung. Ini pasang yang kuai pina ketok. Sheraton, guangan itu villa. Kan? Ada ya? Aku baru cuma. Kan? Ngahela lah, kau cuci nak kira rompulangi menambung kerusin ikannya raw. Pazit. Kau nak bang? Kau nak family villa? So on the side ni Sheraton Tokoriki. On the side family villas, the other side honeymoon. Lebih serakut. Aku kau dah kebir nak tanya nama tanya ni ko. Enggak village. Buat taruh telepon ni. Oh gosh, I don't know how we're gonna make it this afternoon.
Dramamine if your kids get seasick at all.
No, because it's just a short road trip.
Okay.
If we were going to the bigger islands, which takes like
where
2
are
days.
you going?
We're just going to Danarau. Danarau.
Oh yeah.
Which is like 45 minutes. That's
Yeah.
okay.
You'll be okay.
Yeah. When do you check out?
Wednesday. So.
All right.
Yeah.
I might see you on the other side then.
Yes, that's
All right.
true.
Enjoy the rest of your stay. Bye. Bola yang pinaka. Hah?
Kira-kira yang biang besarnya.
Karena telepon. Kan tu bilang.
Zava, MBB. Sang betul ya uteran tu nungonin tendesar nga.
Kita orang mana kita mau? Waktu cuma mana ngapa dia lah? Yo, elah saya nambung ni omu ada yang kaya nak makan lagi. Nama ni kami tanya sama kini.
Mall ya?
Kan? Ini kan? Yo.
Kori.
Yanra. Sinbuk tangan tetepil. Yanra. Table for 5. Kita tago. Yang ngan. Mombita na yadang Genevikar.
Bitangan na ramu.
Yadang okay.
Nigay aja tak okay shaker.
Ay okay. Okay.
Ibi tanang kasi ibi tanang goni.
3 adults,
Beda
2 kids.
Dara kita kimba mamute veli.
Naka.
Lunch.
Oi. Kaya nga? That.
Any allergies?
No. Naka.
Oh, wag ganun bros di shaker. Tindono kan rubina kata lagi tu kenapa?
Ori?
Oh, wag penny.
Oh,
The
go.
guy standing
Oh,
there.
okay,
Yeah.
Vinaka.
Vinaka.
Okay, sir, Vinaka. Yeah, daro. Yeah. Oh, hello again. Are you ready for the off?
Yes,
We are going on a bumpy ride.
I
Yeah.
don't think we'll be doing Titanic on the way home.
No.
I think it'll be a bit wet.
Yes. Yeah, gosh, look at it.
Get a bit wet.
Yeah. But we should be all right. I think, yeah.
I reckon.
David's thinking it's going to make it easier to get us over the reef.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know. Oh, look at that boat. It's going up and down and up and down.
Oh yes.
It's fairly choppy.
I think we should be all right.
Will we?
At least it's not raining.
At least it wasn't like last night. Did you hear the wind blow?
Well, you
Last
would have
night.
heard it more than us.
Oh, yes, yeah.
But,
It was so loud.
yeah.
Yeah.
And it was, see, look, there's surf out there now.
Surfer?
Surf.
Is there somebody surfing?
Not a surfer. No.
No, there is,
Oh.
I said it, there is surf out there,
Oh.
not a surfer.
I thought somebody was surfing.
No, I thought, God, he's going to come in and need attention, isn't he, after
Yeah.
all the coral cuts?
No.
We were talking to an Irish couple last night, and
Oh.
they're determined.
Really?
They were determined to go out and do what we did, you see.
Are they here?
Yeah.
An Irish couple.
Oh. Did they come from Ireland or?
Yeah.
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 Wow.
There's two lots of Irish people.
Oh, I didn't
There's
know
a
that.
lady- There's a lady with a little boy
Yeah?
who, you know, she takes everything off for him to go in swimming. So he was thundering up and down last night.
Yeah.
So she's from Ireland, somewhere, I don't know where. This other couple, the young
Yeah.
couple there from near Athlone
Oh, okay.
in the centre.
All right.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Well, he is. She's actually American.
You must have told them you met somebody from England as well.
No,
From
I
London.
didn't tell them that. I didn't tell them that. No. They were just talking away.
Oh,
And then I
okay.
had to go out and have a...
Oh, do you smoke?
I hate smoking. I hate it with a
Yeah.
passion. Never smoked in my life.
Oh,
But these two were going out and having a smoke.
oh.
And you can smell it. You know, it's horrible. Isn't
I don't smoke.
it?
No.
No. I think it's so
I drank a little bit, but I've stopped that, all of that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I could just, when he was breathing, I thought, my God, what's in your lungs? If I can smell that from you,
Yeah.
from there, what's in your lungs?
It's much worse.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah. All right.
So you're all packed up?
Yes. All packed up. All we have to do now is pay our bill and then shoot off.
Shoot off, yeah.
I can't wait to go to the mainland. well, now that the weather is like this.
I know.
Yeah.
Well, we walked past the little shop down here the other day, and
Yeah.
it's all closed and everything. Anyway, there's these little tiny wooden turtles, and I've told you about us in
Yeah.
our early morning drinking
Yeah.
turtles.
Yeah.
Right? So I thought I needed to get one for each of the couples. You see,
Yeah.
a little tiny turtle.
Oh, that's so nice.
So anyway, it's all open. You
Yeah.
can go in and help yourself, but no one's there to serve you.
Oh, gosh.
And there's one person came, and all the others are having breakfast. So they've opened the shop and then walked away.
God. All right. Enjoy your morning. Enjoy your breaky. Yanda Vinaka. Oh, they're ready to go on a lullaby. Oh, nice. Yeah. Cereal. They've got skim milk and full cream milk. And they also have soy milk for vegan.
Yeah.
And there's guava, watermelon, pineapple is so sweet. Kamu kami kenapa penapiu? Sini
No.
makair na penapiu may lunch. Yeah. Go na juice station if you want to have a vegetable smoothie. Nada. Kita sa check out chukunikua, sausage lamb, bacon, that's a sauce, cinnamon, porridge, my favorite, sauteed eggplant, potato, and there's baked beans, sauteed mushroom, and noodle stir fry. What the kinada mango? Steamed rice. Yeah. I'm gonna international cheese. So I don't know what kind of cheese is this though. I'm going back on a brie cheese. This is cheddar cheese. And I don't know, I think this is mature cheddar. Yeah. Thank you. Dan pakai. Malo